No, Mama, I'm not tired. I ain't going to sleep. Not right, honey. Cat got your tongue? Uh-oh. Come on, honey. Give me the grizzly bear. That's a weakling. Come on, love bug. There we go. Do it again. Get some oomph behind it. All right, that's baby bear. Where's daddy bear? Oh, there we go. A little bit louder. Ooh. Come on, honey. Give me the growly bear. You can do it. Ooh, what about a lion's roar? That's a weak line. Come on, honey. Give me your loudest animal growl. Boy, I'd be running scared. Oh, there we go. Come on, love bug. You can do it. Pretend you're chasing a pork chop. What about a Bud Light truck? Miller truck? Huh? Bud Light with tomato juice? Corona. Come on, honey. Growl at me. Growl. Give me a really good growl. Scare the Bud Light man. Get him. Get him. He'll leave you the whole truck. He'll leave you the truck with that growl. Scare him. Get that Bud Light truck. Get that Bud Light truck. Oh, come on, grizzly bear, waking up. Oh. Roar for it, honey. Maybe not.